Teeth Whitener.
Alright, so in this video we will be talking about how to whiten teeth in Photoshop by following few simple steps. Here we are in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, click on the adjustment layer icon and then select hue and saturation. Now click on the hand icon over here. You will see an eyedropper tool. Now click on the teeth to select the yellow color, and to see which area is being affected, simply drag the hue and saturation slider all the way to the right, like this. Now you can play with these sliders to make your selection smooth, like this. Don't worry if you select extra areas other than teeth like these, we will fix it later. Now double click on the hue and saturation to reset the values. After that, decrease the saturation like this and increase the lightness until you satisfied. So this looks perfect to me. Now you can see that the extra areas are also being affected. Let me show you the before and after. So this is before and this is after. These areas are also being affected. So how can we fix that? Simply click on the mask and click Ctrl or Command I to invert the mask. Now select the brush tool and make sure that the foreground color is white. Now paint on the teeth like this. And we are done here. So let me show you the before and after. So this is before and this is after. Before, after. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful, do leave us a comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.